Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Richardson, Augustin. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about my story and who I am personally. So to begin with, my mother gave birth to me at an early age. So I lived in a family that was really poor, that is still poor, I'd say. And they couldn't afford to take care of me, so they sent me to an orphanage in Gonaives. While I was in this orphanage, we had to move to Port-au-Prince because of a flood. So the orphanage that was in Gonaives had to move to Port-au-Prince. The orphanage that was in Gonaives joined a new orphanage that was Christian Ministries. In this orphanage, we had a lot of hard time during the years, but we went through it. It was hard. A lot of us missed our parents, missed our loved ones, but we got through it. In 2016, we joined another home, which was Revhome. Revhome is still is still the best family we've had so far. And personally, for me, I feel like this family is where I feel more comfortable and happy. We got to go to school at TeacHaiti. TeacHaiti, we grew a lot. We became people we didn't even thought we would be. We learned how to be a leader. We learned how to help others. We learned the value of every individual person in the world. We joined a lot of organizations, and they helped us improve in ourselves. And I'm glad that I've gone through these journeys. So I joined the Haitian Ruby Project. First of all, the president of the Haitian Ruby Project, Pierre, he shared the idea with me and his other classmates. We saw that the idea was good, and that the intention of the Haitian Review Project was what was behind it was to help globally, community service, and it was one thing that every single person of us wanted to do. We wanted to help other people that were in need, and through this idea, we saw how we could join him. And I am Haitian Ruby's financial director. I help in any way that we can raise money for the project. We have some activities we've been doing to raise money for the project. We sell corn dogs and slushies, also cotton candy. We do all of these in only one goal: to help the project. And this is our goal, to help Haiti in general. So my role in Haitian Ruby is to make sure that we're getting money, and we're using it for the right cause. So I'm happy to be part of the project, and anyone who wants to help the project, I know that they won't regret it, because what we're doing, it's really important, and it's really going to make a big impact in Haiti.